making banana bread. Andrea is right there.
Hi.
I've actually, because of TikTok, I like to film on my phone a lot, so I'm gonna try to do that a bit more throughout this. And on this main camera too. Banana bread! I believe that's copyright. No, I'm just kidding. Sometimes it like gets stuck to the board.
You can use that one straight up.
Ah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
What else?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Sorry, that came out like all at once. It's getting tough.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. My hands looks good. Right?
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, I think this is the best we're gonna get it.
Yeah. I'm gonna show this to your video. So good. You can cut it later. I think we did a really good job.
It's not in microwave.
We tried 30 seconds.
Because last time we made chocolate in the microwave, it kind of burned. You want to put a layer of chocolate in there? Probably we can like make a swirl in it after we add the layers. Yeah. I think because it'll rise. Yeah.
Let's see.
So this is good. Okay, chocolate, your turn.
Chocolate, your turn. I like that name.
That's really cool.
Happy.
Okay. We are good to go. Yeah. Do like a really fast wipe. I left my tripod in another house. So, well, it's the house I'm moving into, so that's why it's a weird angle, because you guys are on a grill pod on a counter. It's finished!
You want to take a look closer?
Yeah, sure.
Look at this.
Got it. Andrea's like much more excited about this than I am. Here we go. Here we go.
I like it. I think the chocolate is a bit bitter.
Because we burned it? The second time. We burned chocolate twice. That's the last thing we cooked in this kitchen, guys. So you guys have to say bye to this house because I know I've done a lot of videos in here.
I'm gonna try more.
Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! So much.
Oh, sorry.
Bless you.